Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am taking you on a beautiful journey through Japan. Japan is an amazing island nation in East Asia, made up of thousands of islands surrounded by the ocean. Surrounded by lush greenery and quiet lakes, where every corner feels calm and beautiful. Sushi is not just food in Japan. It's an art form. Once known for samurai, tea houses, and wooden streets, Japan is now famous for anime, bullet trains, creative food, and inventions you won't find anywhere else. Japan is known for people who enjoy some of the longest lives in the world, a result of their healthy lifestyle. Though it faces earthquakes, Japan's resilience is unwavering. Despite the tragic bombing of Hiroshima, Japan rebuilt its nation with strength and unmatched resilience. So, let's dive in and explore the wonders of Japan together. Japan has over 6,800 islands, each offering its own unique beauty and charm. From the majestic peak of Mount Fuji, Japan's landscape feel like they are straight out of a painting. In the bamboo forest of Kyoto, every swaying bamboo stalk reflects the deep spiritual respect Japanese people have for nature. Even in big cities, parks and gardens are kept super clean. People genuinely love nature. During cherry blossom season, the whole country stops to admire flowers. Imagine getting a holiday just to look at trees. Japan, one of the largest economies in the world, the birthplace of companies like Toyota, Sony, Honda, Nintendo, Panasonic. A culture of precision and perfection. They call it monozukuri, meaning craftsmanship with a soul. The bullet train has a punctuality record of 0.3 seconds, yes, seconds. These trains glide at incredible speeds, making long distance feel surprisingly short. Robots help in restaurants, hospitals, and hotels. Vending machines are everywhere, selling everything from drinks to umbrellas. Many people think Japan isn't multicultural, but it actually is. Large communities from China, Korea, Philippines, Vietnam, Brazil, Pakistan. Many international students and workers. Tokyo especially is becoming a global city. Japanese people are polite, hardworking, and kind. Bowing in Japan is more than greetings, it is a simple sign of respect, kindness, and love. Japan is the home of anime, and it's a huge part of daily life. Sumo wrestling is Japan's oldest sport, filled with tradition, power, and ceremony. These massive athletes are not just strong, but they follow strict training, discipline, and rituals that make the sport truly legendary. Osaka, called the nation's kitchen because of its incredible street food culture. This is the home of takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and delicious snacks you can smell from blocks away. Kyoto is Japan's cultural heart. It has more than 2,000 temples and shrines. No tipping in Japan, you don't tip. It considered rude. Exceptional service is included, no extra cash needed. Japan is extremely clean, but here's the funny part. You won't find many garbage bins outside. People usually carry their trash home. It's part of the culture of responsibility. Japan loves kawaii culture. Kawaii means cute, and Japan is full of it. From mascots on street signs to adorable characters on buses, kawaii culture is everywhere. Everything looks happier and brighter because of it. So this brings us to the end of our Japan Explore. I hope you enjoyed discovering its beauty and uniqueness with me today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.